Ready to unleash your inner artist with the power of AI? We're diving into Microsoft Designer Image Creator, your shortcut to stunning visuals without needing any design experience. First, open Microsoft Designer in your browser. You'll see the magic prompt box. This is where your creativity takes flight. The key is crafting detailed prompts. Be specific. Instead of just Volf, try a majestic Volf howling at a full moon in a snowy forest. Cinematic lighting. Boom. Microsoft Designer generates multiple image options based on your prompt. Browse through the results and select the one that resonates with you. Now, let's personalize it. You can further edit the image directly within Designer, downloading it for your projects, share it with your friends, or even use Designer to create social media posts using the generated image. The possibilities are endless. Create unique logos, eye-catching website banners, captivating social media graphics, or even just visualize your wildest ideas. Play with different prompts, experiment with styles, and watch your imagination come to life. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try combining keywords, specifying art styles like impressionistic or cyberpunk, or even describing the mood you want to evoke. The more you explore, the better you'll become at crafting effective prompts. So go on. Unleash your creativity with Microsoft Designer Image Creator. Subscribe for more AI-powered tutorials and let us know what amazing creations you come up with in the comments below.